Cozy English podcast from the Cozy Classroom.
Hey, English learners, welcome to the Cozy English podcast, your cozy little place to learn real, everyday English through real conversations. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. And today we are talking about something that most people feel but not many people talk about out loud.
Yes. And honestly, just saying that feels a little brave already.
It does. Because today's topic is money worries.
Money worries. That quiet, uncomfortable feeling that can sit in the back of your mind, even on a perfectly normal Tuesday.
Yes, not a crisis, not a dramatic moment, just that low hum of financial stress that follows you around sometimes.
And if you have ever checked your bank account and then just gone very still for a moment.
Oh yes, that specific silence.
Then this episode is for you.
We are going to talk about money worries the way real people talk about them. Not with big financial words, not with scary numbers, just honest human conversation.
And along the way, we are going to help you say these feelings in more natural, more confident English.
Because sometimes you know the feeling, but you do not have the words for it in English yet.
And after today, you will.
And before we begin, a small favor. If this podcast helps you with your English, please like this episode, subscribe, and share it with one friend who is also learning English.
Yes, even one share helps us reach more learners. And it means a lot to us.
And today's word tour, please stay for it. We have some words today that you will want to save and use in real life.
Words that help you talk about money stress in a calm, mature, and natural way. Not dramatic, just honest.
Okay, and before we get into the conversation, we want to ask you something.
Yes, right now in this moment, is there a money worry sitting quietly in the back of your mind?
Maybe something small, maybe something bigger, maybe just a general uneasy feeling.
Write one word in the comments. Even one word. Rent, bills, savings. Just one word.
Because you are not alone, and this conversation is for you.
All right, let's begin.
So Anna, can I be honest about something?
Always.
There was a moment last year, nothing dramatic. I was just sitting at my kitchen table in the morning, drinking coffee, and I opened my banking app, and I just sat there.
That feeling, yes. Like the coffee suddenly got colder.
Exactly. Nothing terrible had happened, but looking at the number on the screen, I felt this quiet tightness in my chest.
Financial anxiety. That is what that feeling is.
Yes, financial anxiety. And the strange thing is, I did not want to talk about it. Not because it was shameful, but because I did not even have the words for it.
I think that is so common. Money is one of those topics that people carry silently. You do not complain about it at dinner. You do not bring it up casually with friends.
Right, it just sits there, this background worry.
A background worry. I really like that phrase. It is not always loud, it is just there.
Like a noise you stop hearing, but it is still running.
Yes, and I had a similar moment. Mine was at the end of the month. You know that last week of the month when you start making small calculations in your head every time you spend something?
Oh yes, can I buy this coffee? Well, maybe I should wait.
Exactly. And the strange thing is, the coffee is not expensive. It is just that the mental calculation starts automatically.
That is called being financially stretched.
Financially stretched, yes. It does not mean you have nothing. It just means that your money and your needs are not quite matching comfortably right now.
And that feeling is exhausting in a very quiet way.
It really is, because it is not one big problem you can solve. It is many small moments throughout the day where money is at the back of your mind.
And sometimes you feel guilty about it. Like, other people have real problems. Why am I stressed about a cup of coffee?
But financial stress is real no matter the size of it. Whether you are worried about rent or worried about whether you can afford something small, the worry is still real.
That is important. We should not compare our money worries to other people's money worries.
No, your worry is valid. And being able to name it and talk about it in English is actually a really powerful thing.
Exactly. Because when you have words for something, it feels a little less heavy.
A little less heavy. I love that.
So let's talk about how money worry actually shows up day to day. Because I think a lot of people imagine financial stress as a big dramatic moment.
Yes, like a movie scene where someone opens a letter and everything falls apart.
Right. But in real life, it is usually much quieter than that.
It is the small decisions. Do I eat out tonight or cook at home? Can I say yes to this trip with my friends? Should I buy this now or wait?
Yes. And sometimes the worry is not even about something specific. It is just a general feeling of financial insecurity.
Financial insecurity. That is a really useful phrase. It means you do not feel completely safe or stable with your money situation.
Not necessarily broke, just uncertain.
Yes, like the ground is not completely solid under your feet, but not like you are falling, just aware that it could shift.
And I think one of the hardest parts of financial insecurity is that it can make you feel behind.
Behind. Like everyone else has figured something out that you haven't.
Yes, like there is a script for life that includes a savings account and a plan, and you somehow missed the meeting where they explained it.
That meeting that nobody actually attended.
Exactly. Nobody attended that meeting.
But seriously, that feeling of being behind financially is very common, especially in your 20s and 30s.
And social media makes it worse. You see someone your age buying a house or going on a trip and you think, how?
How are they doing that? What do they know that I don't?
And then the comparing starts. And comparing your financial situation to someone else's is one of the fastest ways to feel worse about your own.
Yes, because you are seeing their highlight, not their background worry.
Not their end-of-the-month calculations.
Exactly. And I think one of the kindest things you can do for yourself when money stress shows up is to just acknowledge it. Not panic, not spiral. Just say, okay, I am feeling financially anxious right now.
Yes, name it. Because naming it takes a little bit of the power away from it.
And then, if you can, take one small practical step. Not solve everything, just one small thing.
Like checking what is actually in your account instead of avoiding it.
Yes, avoidance makes financial anxiety worse. The unknown always feels bigger than the reality.
Always. The number in your account is almost never as terrifying as the number you imagined.
Almost never.
Almost.
But once you look, once you name it, once you take that one small step, you feel a little more in control.
And feeling in control of your money, even a little, is one of the most calming feelings there is.
Yes, not rich, not perfect, just in control enough.
In control enough. That is the goal.
And it starts with being able to talk about it, with yourself, with someone you trust. And today, in English. All right, it is time for the word tour. And today, as always, we are going slow. Fewer words, but deeper explanations.
Because these words are not just for this episode, they are for real life. For moments when money stress shows up and you want to talk about it clearly and calmly.
Let's start with financial anxiety.
Yes, this one is very important.
Financial anxiety means worry or stress that is connected to money. It is not just being careful with money. It is when money thoughts create a real feeling of unease or fear.
Say it slowly with us. Financial anxiety.
Financial anxiety.
The easiest sentence is, I am experiencing financial anxiety. That sounds mature and clear.
You can also say, I have been feeling some financial anxiety lately. That sounds natural and honest.
Or, money has been causing me a lot of financial anxiety this month.
And you can shorten it in casual conversation. You can simply say, I have been feeling financially anxious.
Financially anxious. Yes, that is the adjective form.
So instead of saying, I am stressed about money, you can say, I have been feeling financially anxious.
One phrase, much more feeling.
Our next word is stretched, or financially stretched.
Yes, we used this earlier. Financially stretched means your money is being pulled in many directions, and it is not quite enough to cover everything comfortably.
Say it slowly. Financially stretched.
Financially stretched.
The most natural sentence is, I am feeling financially stretched right now.
That sounds honest but not alarming. It tells people the situation without drama.
You can also say, this month has left me feeling a bit stretched.
Or things are a little stretched at the moment.
Notice you do not have to say financially every time. Stretched alone works in context.
So instead of saying, I don't have enough money right now, say, I am feeling a bit stretched at the moment.
It sounds calm, adult, and real.
Our next word is insecurity, or financial insecurity.
Financial insecurity means not feeling safe or stable about your money situation. It is deeper than one bad month. It is a general feeling of uncertainty about whether you have enough.
Say it slowly. Financial insecurity.
Financial insecurity.
A natural sentence is, I have been dealing with some financial insecurity lately.
You can also say, growing up, my family experienced a lot of financial insecurity.
Or, I think my financial insecurity comes from never having a savings cushion.
And the adjective is financially insecure. You can say, I have been feeling financially insecure since I changed jobs.
So instead of saying, I am not sure if I have enough money, say, I have been feeling some financial insecurity lately.
Honest, clear, and mature.
Our next phrase is background worry.
Yes, we introduced this earlier and we love it.
Background worry means a worry that is always quietly present. Not loud, not a crisis, just a low, constant feeling underneath normal life.
Say it slowly. Background worry.
Background worry.
A natural sentence is, money has become a background worry for me this year.
You can also say, I carry a background worry about my savings most of the time.
Or even just, there is a background worry that I cannot quite shake.
Notice you can use background worry for anything, not only money, but for financial stress, it is a perfect fit.
So instead of saying, I always worry a little about money, say, money has become a background worry for me.
Beautiful and very real.
Our next word is acknowledge.
To acknowledge means to admit or accept that something is real. Not to fix it, not to panic, just to say, yes, this is happening.
Say it slowly. Acknowledge.
Acknowledge.
A natural sentence is, I think it helps to acknowledge your financial anxiety instead of pushing it away.
You can also say, I had to acknowledge that I was not managing my money well.
Or simply, I acknowledged the worry and then I felt a little better.
And it does not have to be about money. But in this context, acknowledging your financial stress is the first step to feeling less overwhelmed by it.
So instead of saying, I had to admit my money situation was not great, say, I had to acknowledge my financial anxiety.
It sounds self-aware and calm.
Our next word is avoidance.
Yes, we talked about this. Avoidance means choosing not to look at or deal with something because it feels scary or uncomfortable.
Say it slowly. Avoidance.
Avoidance.
A natural sentence is, financial avoidance makes anxiety worse over time.
You can also say, I realized I was in avoidance mode with my bank account.
That is such a real sentence. Avoidance mode.
Yes, you can say, I am in avoidance mode. That means you are actively not dealing with something.
Or, she practices avoidance when it comes to money conversations.
So instead of saying, I did not want to look at my account because I was scared, say, I was in avoidance mode with my finances.
Honest, self-aware, and very natural.
And our final word today is in control, or feeling in control.
Yes, this one is simple but powerful. Feeling in control means you feel like you understand your situation and you are making decisions, not just reacting.
Say it slowly. In control.
In control.
A natural sentence is, once I checked my account, I felt more in control.
You can also say, I just need to feel in control of my finances again.
Or small steps help me feel more in control when money stress shows up.
Notice it is not, I need to be rich. It is, I need to feel in control. That is a healthy and realistic goal.
So instead of saying, I want to stop worrying about money, say, I want to feel more in control of my finances.
That is progress. That is real.
So today's 7 words and phrases are financial anxiety, financially stretched, financial insecurity, background worry, acknowledge, avoidance, and in control.
Let's connect them quickly to real life.
When money worry creates unease or fear, say I have been feeling some financial anxiety.
When your money is being pulled in too many directions, say, I am feeling a bit financially stretched.
When you feel uncertain about whether you have enough, say I have been experiencing some financial insecurity.
When money worry sits quietly in the background of your day, say it has become a background worry for me.
When you want to stop ignoring something and face it, say I need to acknowledge this.
When you have been avoiding something because it feels scary, say I have been in avoidance mode.
And when you want to feel calm and steady about money, say I just want to feel in control again.
Now for your challenge. Write one sentence in the comments using one of today's words.
You can write, I have been feeling financially stretched this month.
Or, money has become a background worry for me lately.
Or simply, I want to feel more in control of my finances.
We would love to read your sentences. And remember, writing in English, even one sentence is practice. It counts.
And we want to ask you one more time. What is your biggest money worry right now? One word in the comments.
Even one word. Because naming it is the beginning.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode.
Money worry is one of the most human feelings there is. Almost everyone carries some version of it.
And the fact that you are here, learning English, working on yourself, investing in your future, that is not nothing. That is something.
That is actually quite a lot.
So tonight, maybe acknowledge one small thing about your finances. Not fix it, not stress about it. Just look at it.
And say, okay, I see you. I am not panicking. I am just going to take one small step.
Because that is how financial anxiety loosens its hold. Not all at once, just one small, honest moment at a time.
No drama, no pressure. Just you, a quiet moment, and a little more English to help you say what you feel.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
And tell us in the comments, did today's word tour help you? Your feedback means everything to us.
Take care of your English.
And take care of your heart.
This is Jake.
And this is Anna.
And you have been listening to the Cozy English Podcast. Bye.
Bye, everyone.